Good morning, children. Today we will do revision of lesson 2, that is addition, subtraction. It is lesson 3 and that multiplication. We will revise. Look here. Question is that find the sum. Find the sum. That means it is addition. Okay. So first you will write this number in column. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Here 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. First number we have completed. Now second 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then this number 2, 0, 3, 1, 2. Write all the number according to the places. Now add it. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 0 is 2. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 and 1 4. 4 and 1 5. 2 and 1 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. So it is the answer. Understood? Now next question again. Find the sum or add. It will give in the question. So you will do again ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Put this number first. 7, 5, 1, 3, 4, 2. Okay. Now next number 1, 1, 3, 6, 5, then 2. Next number 0, 5, 6, 0, 4, 5. Now add it. 7 plus 1 is 8. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 5 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 6 11. 1 carry. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 1 10. 0. 1 carry. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 4 14. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So it is the answer. Children, write all the number straight. Then you will add correctly and you will get the correct answer. Understood? Now next is find the difference. Find the difference means subtract. It is the greater number, so this number you will write first. After that you will write this number and subtract it. So from, it is given in the question that subtracted from this number. So first you will write the biggest number. First you will write the column 9, 1, 2, 5, 2, 8. Now smallest number 8, 7, 5, 2, 4, then 3. Now subtract it. 9 minus 8 is 1. We can't subtract 7 from 1, so we will borrow from here. So it become 11 and become 1. 11 minus 7 is 4. Now we can't subtract 5 from 1. Again you will borrow from here. So it become 11 and it become 4. 11 minus 5 is 6. 4 minus 2 is 2. Now again we can't subtract 4 from 2. So we will borrow from this side. So 12 and it become 7. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 7 minus 3 is 4. Understood? So it is the answer. Now next is subtract this number minus this number. So it is the greater number first. You will write it first. 4, 5, 3, 2. You can put here place value. Next number is here 6, 6, 4, 2, then 5. Put minus sign and subtract it. We can't subtract 6 from 2. So here borrow here 12. 12 minus 6, 6. It gave 1, so it become 2. Now we can't subtract 6 from 2, so again you will borrow here 12. It become 4. 12 minus 6 is 6. 4 minus 4 is 0. Again 4 minus 2 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4 and it is 8. So it is the answer. 8,42,066. Understood? So we have completed addition and subtraction. After adding or subtracting in a rough copy and any sheet, then you will put the correct answer in your Google form. Understood? Now next is, let us see the word problem. Here in the word problem, no need to write the statement. So only you will solve and give the answer. One question we will see in word problem of addition and subtraction. Okay. Now here in the question it is given that the population of a town is 75,492. If 40,548 are male members, then find the female members. It is subtraction. Okay. What problem of subtraction we will do here? And here addition. First we will see addition. First we will see the word problem of addition. Now here you will see in your book lot of questions are there. So one or two questions we will explain you. There are 2,92,598 males. So number of main members is 292598, and then number of women is given, and children is also given 262942, and then children 321251. So here there are 2,92,598 men, 2,62,942 women, and 3,21,251 children in a city. Find the population of the city. So population of the city we have to find out. So we will add it. First we will write the total number of men, total number of women, total number of children. Now add it. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 carry, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 5 is 19, 1 carry, 5 and 1 6, 6 and 9 15, 16 17, 1 carry, 2 plus 2 4, 4 and 1 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 2 17, 7, 1 carry, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, check it once again. 8 plus 2 10, 10 and 1 11, 1 carry, 9 and 1 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 5 19, 9, 1 carry, 5 and 1 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 plus 2 17, 7, 1 carry, 2 and 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 and 1 6, 9 6 15, 16 17, 7, 1 carry, 2 and 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So you will also check in exam time, then you will put the correct answer. So it is the total population of the city. Total population of city. Understood? So no need to write the sentences. You write vertically and add it and give the answer. Now other you will see subtraction word problem. Subtract the here population of a town is given, total population is given, total population is 75,492, and mains are, number of mains are 40,548. We have to find out the women. So it is women. So subtract it. 12 minus 8, 4. Here gave 1, so 8 minus 4 is 4. We can't subtract 5 from 4, so again you will borrow 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. It gave 1, so it become 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. So it is the number of women. Understood? Here we can't subtract 8 from 2, so borrow 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. It gave 1, so it becomes 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. We can't subtract 5 from 4, so again borrow. 14 minus 5 is 9. He gave 1, so it becomes 4. 4 minus 0 is 4, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So it is the number of women. Understood? Like this you will solve in exam time. Okay? Solve and give the answer and put the correct answer. Check it once again, then you will put, take your time properly and solve correctly. Next we will see multiplication. In multiplication, find the product. Find the product. Suppose one question is given 21 into 4000. It is very easy. Already I told you, first you will write separately. You can write this one 21 into 4 into 1000. You can write this 4000, 4 into 1000. So 21 into 4 and keep this 1000 separately. Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 84 into 1000. So it becomes 84,000. Understood? It is very easy. So you will do like this. Again one question we will see, 9 into 5000. Okay, so 5000 you can write 5 into 1000. Understood? And it is 9. As it is you will write. Now 9 into 5 write together, and this 1000 you will keep separately. 9 5s are 45 into 1000. Then 45 into 1000 is 45,000. This is the answer. Directly also you can do here. 9 0s are 0, 9 0s are 0, 9 0s are 0, 9 5s are 45. Understood, children? Now one more question we will see. $349 into 84. Multiply it. 4 9s are, first you will multiply this number by this number. 4 9s are 36. 6, 3 carry. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 99. 1 carry. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Put here cross. We will start the tens place number. 8 9s are 72. 2 7 carry. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 7 is 39. 9 3 carry. 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. Now add it. 6 9 plus 2 11 1 1 carry. 9 plus 3 12 and 1 13. 3 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 is 9, and this is 2. Understood? So it is the answer. You will check once again, then you will put the correct answer in the option. Now one more question we will see as a word problem. No need to write here sentences. So you will do correctly multiplication, addition, subtraction, everything, and confirm your answer. Then you will put the correct option. Suppose what problem is given. A man saves 350 rupees per month. How much money will he saving in 4 years? Okay, so here 1 year means 12 months. 1 year equal to 12 months. So 4 year. 4 year, that means 12 into 4. That is 48 months. So 1 month he is saving how much? 350 rupees in 1 month. So how much he will save in 48 months? 4 years, that means 48 months. 8 zeros are 0. 8 5s are 40. 0. 4 carry. 8 3 are 24 plus 4. 28. Put cross. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. 0. 2 carry. 4 3 are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Add it. 4 plus 2 6. So that much amount he will save. Understood? Check once again. 1 year 12 month. 4 year means 12 into 4. 48 month. 8 zeros are 0. 8 5s are 40. 0. 4 carry. 8 3 are 24. 24 plus 4. 28. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. 2 carry. 4 3 are 12 plus 2 is 14. 0. 4 plus 2. Understood? So 16,800 he will save. So you will put the correct answer in the option. Children, be careful. Your time limits is there. Automatically it will over. When your time will over. If you will not submit, you can't complete your questions. So when you will solve, time you will adjust properly, and within time you have to submit. Otherwise you will lose that paper. Understood? So thank you and best of luck.